I used to love baking until my cheap non-stick pan started peeling black flakes straight into my kids' cookies. It was a terrifying wake-up call about the toxic chemicals lurking in our bakeware. Finding truly safe, non-toxic sheets that actually bake evenly and don't warp like tin foil feels impossible. So, I spent the last few months aggressively testing the most popular non-toxic baking sheets on the market. Today, I'm revealing which ones ruin my roasted veggies and which absolute game changer you actually need in your kitchen. 5. TeamFar B01GRKRLKS. When I first started replacing my old toxic bakeware, stainless steel felt like the most obvious, bulletproof choice. Out of the box, this pan is gorgeous, featuring a highly reflective mirror finish that feels incredibly sturdy in the hand. I was initially drawn to the fact that it uses high-quality 430 stainless steel without any chemical coatings whatsoever, which gave me immense peace of mind when prepping meals for my family. During my testing, I found the rolled edges and slightly deeper rim to be surprisingly practical. It is fantastic for containing runaway juices from roasted tomatoes or keeping oil from spilling over the sides when tossing potatoes. I also appreciated how substantial the gauge of the metal felt, giving the illusion of a heavy-duty commercial pan. Because there are no artificial coatings, you never have to worry about scratching a delicate surface with metal spatulas or aggressively scrubbing away baked-on grime. However, the daily reality of cooking with this pan proved to be a bit frustrating. Because it lacks any sort of non-stick property, I quickly learned that you have to aggressively oil or line this sheet with parchment paper every single time. I tried making a batch of simple roasted chicken thighs, and the skin adhered so fiercely to the bare mirror finish that I spent 20 minutes soaking and vigorously scrubbing it just to get the pan clean again. The biggest deal breaker for me, though, happened at higher temperatures. Whenever I pushed my oven past 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this pan produced a terrifyingly loud pop and warped dramatically right on the oven rack. 4. HONGBAKE B09H4KM229. I wanted to see if I could find a budget-friendly non-stick option that managed to exclude the worst offenders like PFOA and PFOS. At first glance, this pan seemed to check a lot of boxes. It has a uniquely textured bottom that is supposed to promote airflow and prevent food from sticking, and it boasts a heavy-duty carbon steel core that feels remarkably rigid when pulling heavy loads out of the oven. I tested this sheet extensively with delicate baked goods, specifically several batches of shortbread and chocolate chip cookies. The non-stick release during the first few weeks was undeniably impressive. My cookies slid right off the pan without leaving a single crumb behind, and I didn't need to waste any parchment paper or cooking spray. The textured surface genuinely seemed to help the cookies bake evenly across the middle, and I loved how effortlessly it washed up with just a quick wipe of a soapy sponge. Unfortunately, the honeymoon phase didn't last very long. Despite hand washing it carefully and only using soft silicone utensils, I started noticing tiny micro scratches appearing in the non-stick coating after just a dozen uses. While the manufacturer claims the pan is free of major toxins, seeing any chemical coating begin to degrade and flake that quickly always makes me deeply uncomfortable about what might be subtly leaching into my family's food. Additionally, the dark gray color of the pan proved to be a major hindrance for certain recipes. Dark metal absorbs oven heat far more aggressively than lighter metals, which meant the bottoms of my biscuits were consistently bordering on burnt before the tops were even a pale golden brown. 3. Nordic Ware Naturals. When you step into almost any professional bakery or restaurant kitchen, this is the exact style of pan you're going to see stacked to the ceiling. It is crafted from pure, uncoated, natural aluminum, which means there are absolutely zero synthetic non-stick coatings, toxic chemicals, or mystery materials to worry about. It is simplicity and safety at its absolute finest. What blew me away during my testing was the sheer perfection of its heat conductivity. Aluminum is a masterclass material for distributing heat efficiently. Whether I was baking a massive tray of delicate macarons or roasting a dense medley of root vegetables, everything cooked with incredible uniformity. Unlike the darker pans I tested previously, the lighter silver color of the raw aluminum ensured that the bottoms of my baked goods browned at the exact same rate as the tops, eliminating the burnt bottom issue entirely. Durability is another area where this pan absolutely shines. Nordic Ware reinforced the edges with an encapsulated galvanized steel rim, which acts like an invincible backbone for the sheet. I blasted this pan at 450 degrees Fahrenheit to aggressively roast broccoli, and it remained perfectly flat without a single warped corner or loud popping sound. It feels incredibly secure when you grab it with thick oven mitts, never flexing or bowing under the weight of a heavy Sunday roast. The only real caveat with pure aluminum is that it requires a tiny bit of maintenance awareness. You absolutely cannot put this in the dishwasher, or the harsh detergents will cause the aluminum to oxidize and turn a chalky, discolored gray. 2. Fat Daddio's Natural. At first glance, you might wonder why I rank this above the classic Nordic Ware, considering they look remarkably similar in shape and size. The secret lies in Fat Daddio's unique safe seal anodizing process. Instead of leaving the raw aluminum exposed, they run it through an electrochemical process that creates a hardened, non-reactive surface. This means you get all the incredible heat conductivity of aluminum, but with a drastically tougher, safer exterior. This non-reactive surface completely changed how I prep my savory dinners. With raw aluminum, acidic foods like tomatoes, citrus juices, or vinegar-based marinades can actually react with the metal, creating a subtle metallic taste and physically pitting the pan. I heavily tested the Fat Daddios by roasting thick slices of tomatoes dripping in balsamic glaze, and the pan handled the harsh acid flawlessly. There was zero metallic flavor transfer, zero discoloration, and my food tasted incredibly pure and bright. Another massive advantage I noticed during my rigorous testing was how rapidly this pan reacts to temperature changes. It heats up incredibly fast when it enters the oven, giving a beautiful, immediate sear to whatever you drop onto it. More importantly, it cools down almost the instant you pull out of the oven. This is a massive lifesaver when baking delicate cookies that would otherwise continue to bake and dry out if left resting on a heavy pan that holds onto residual heat. The build quality is also nothing short of exceptional. It features a wire-reinforced rolled rim that feels even more substantial than the competition, ensuring it stays perfectly rigid under the most intense broiler heat. 1. GreenPan Bakeware. For years, I firmly believed that if I wanted a truly non-toxic baking sheet, I had to completely sacrifice the everyday convenience of a non-stick surface. GreenPan completely shattered that belief. This pan is coated with their proprietary thermal ceramic non-stick material, which is completely derived from nature and absolutely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. It doesn't release any toxic fumes even if you accidentally overheat it, delivering the ultimate peace of mind. Testing this pan honestly felt like magic. I deliberately tried to ruin my afternoon by melting sticky, sugary marinades and baking cheddar cheese directly onto the bare surface without a drop of oil or a sheet of parchment paper. The release was absolutely mind-blowing. Baked-on cheese effortlessly peeled away in one solid piece, and sticky molasses glazes wiped away cleanly with nothing more than a damp paper towel. It provides the slickest cooking surface I have ever tested, radically cutting down my cleanup time to mere seconds. Beyond the phenomenal coating, the underlying architecture of this pan is completely over-engineered in the best way possible. It features a heavy-gauge steel construction that provides an incredibly solid, warp-resistant foundation. I pushed this pan to its absolute limits under intense heat, and it remains stubbornly flat, ensuring my delicate cake batters and liquid-heavy roasting trays never pulled to one side. The heat distribution is impressively even, delivering edge-to-edge golden browning that rivals the professional raw aluminum pans. GreenPan also thoughtfully designed this sheet with beautifully rolled, reinforced edges that prevent rusting and add to its structural integrity over years of use. Ultra. That's all for today, folks.